Welcome to our sports and entertainment guide. Here is Matthew speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 12 FT trampoline for kids with safety enclosure net, ladder and 8-win stakes, round outdoor recreational trampoline. Solid steel structure, fully galvanized steel frame for better resistance to rust and corrosion. 4 U-shaped legs with 8 balanced contact points for better stability and safety. Max weight capacity of up to 330 lb. Superior bounce, where resistant and anti-UV jumping mat stands up to high pressure. 72 galvanized springs for good elasticity. Maximum safety. Rails are tightly fixed to each other with the unique T-joint structure. Safety enclosure net creates a safe space for your kids while playing. Wide spring cover pad with quality elastic straps fully covers the frame, so the feet won't get caught in springs. 8-win stakes, made of weather-resistant galvanized steel. The 8-win stakes included surely serve as a bonus that helps stabilize trampoline in different weather. Easy assembly. Trampoline helps improve kids' health and balance, which also brings great family time. We have designed this trampoline to be as easy as possible to assemble. We recommend 2 or more people for assembly. This product will be shipped in 3 packages, and they may arrive at the same or different times. About Sports and Entertainment Guide Channel. Dana's is a professional store for fitness and sports family healthcare products, which includes elliptical trainers, exercise bikes, inversion, equipment, rowers, step machine, trampolines, treadmills, vibration platforms, fishing kayaks, weight bench, water sports weight rack, exercise equipment sought after by consumers, cost-effective products, and localized delivery services. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, Dana's can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. For wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via nancyjchristensen@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.